Do you want to be a billionaire? This is a question in your life no one ever asked from you. This is a question you yourself might be didn't ask from yourself. If you want to be billionaire, if you want to be free from stress of money, so before that you need to know something. And before knowing those things, I'll tell you what questions you have to ask from yourself and what questions if you ask from billionaires, same question we ask from them, what they will answer and what you will answer. But do you ever seen a car on the road and close your eyes for a while and thought yourself inside of it, thought about this is mine? Do you ever thought about it? Do you ever thought about your dream house, the house which you are thinking, which you think about, which you have desire for to have it in your life? Have you ever received such kind of days? Have you ever seen such a kind of days when people let you cry for things? Do you want to give all those things to your family that you did not receive? Do you want to challenge the world about those things which they didn't give you? You were crying to have those, but they could not. And do you want to give those things to the world which they did not give you, and they are not giving people such a kind of you? These are the questions which you need to answer them, and these are possible in one case. You will have your dream car that day when you have a lot of money, when you have unlimited money in your account, when you are billionaire. Still, this question comes to you. Do you want to be? If it is yes, I want to be. I want to give all those things to my family. I want to buy all those things which I'm not having. I want to live my dream life. Remember one thing, this is not just your question. This question is in the mind of 63% of the world. A population of 63%. They are thinking to come out from their present status. They think it's not our life we are living. They think we have to come out, but they just think about it. They do not go for action about it. If you want to live your life as like them, do you want to leave all those your dreams? So this is not for you. If you want to change, if you want to give answer of all those questions which you asked from yourself, which you wanted in your life, so you need to be not part of 63% population of the world. You need to be the population of 9% in the world. And those 9%, we call them billionaires. If you want to be billionaire, if you want to be millionaire, you need to change that person that is today. If you want to change your life, if you want to change your financial status, so you need to change the person which is now today. Because 53% of the world, they are thinking, just thinking. If you just think, if you just ask question, if you just cry, if you just blame to the world, why I am not living my dream life, why that car is not with me. If you just think, you will be here forever, and it is possible in future your life will be worse than this. So for changing your today's life, for having your dream life, for buying all those things which you are thinking about. Taking out your family from this condition, you need to change the person. For changing the person, for changing you have to write answer of questions. These questions I am telling you, but take me as place of you. Ask yourself these questions. And at starting I said, what questions I am going to tell you, write their answers. And at the end, I'll tell you what a billionaire will answer us of the same question. What are their answers and what is difference between you and them? If your answers are matching with each other, you are the billionaire of future. If your answers are not matching, then you have to change not the questions, you have to change answers of you. Not only on the just page, practical in life you will change them. So you will have all those things, all those amount of money you will never think about when you are buying something. What are those questions? The first question, answer it. What I am doing right now, is it the thing which will take me to become millionaire? And what I have to do for becoming a billionaire? Answer it. What are you doing? In which way you are going? Which actions you are doing? Will they take you from till there? Yes or not? You will answer it on your own. And the second question, what are my habits? What I am doing daily? What is the most doable things of my daily routine? If you write it, you will know the answer. Are you going to be billionaire or not? After answering these questions, you will not need to ask someone, am I going to be billionaire or not? You yourself will know, am I or not? The third question you have to write and answer it. Whom I am sitting mostly? What about my company? What about my friends? Are they helping me to reach there or not? Will they be helper or not? The fourth question you have to answer. What kind of books I am reading for becoming a billionaire? And the fifth, where I am spending most of my time. And this question is very important. Do you want to be billionaire? What kind of plans did you make about it? What kind of plans you are having for becoming a billionaire? If you are planned, you will answer it very well. If there is no any plan, go for it. And the seventh question, where I have to start it? And if we ask these questions from a billionaire, what will be their answer? If we ask these questions from that 9% population of the world, if you ask them, what are your habits? What they do mostly, where they spend most of their time, and where they started from. If you ask them, sir, respectable sir, dear madam, what are your habits? Cause you're a billionaire. What are those habits you are having? I have to create them. I'll make them to become one of you. Do you know what they'll answer? They'll say we always wake up early in the morning. We respect and we give value of our time. We read daily and we are consistent. We're not like you. We do not wake up too late. We are not like you who is just motivated for a day, for a week. We work, we go as consistently. If you ask them, what kind of people you sit mostly? Do you know what they'll answer? They'll tell us, we do not sit with people such a kind of you. We sit with those people who are challengers, who are investors, who are builders, who are creative thinkers. We do not sit people like you are sitting, whom we are sitting, with those people who just complains, who are not motivated. We are sitting, if I'm saying as you, if you are not a billionaire, what we say, what you will say, and what the billionaire are saying. And if we ask them, third question, what kind of books you people are reading? Do you know what they say? They say we read autobiographies. They say we read books to know about economies. We read books about self-discipline, self-help. We read books about knowing current economic situations. What we are reading, me and you, will get the answer. And if we ask them where they spend most of their time, they'll say we spend most of our time on focusing to our vision, on our goals, not disturbance, not distractions. Do you know what are the distractions? Media, sitting on hotels, talking with people, watching television. But what they are doing, they're focused, they're spending most of their time on their vision, on their goals, for achieving it. What me and you are doing, the answer you had written before. And the other question, if you ask them what kind of plans they did and what kind of plans they are having, you know what they'll say? They'll say we are having a long-term plans, not short terms. And they'll say we are having plans globally, not common. And the last question, if we ask them where they start from, they'll say we started that where we were. We didn't wait for tomorrow. We didn't wait for any good and planned decision. We started it. So these were the answers of billionaires. Now compare them between yours and their answer. You will know, are you going to be one of them or not? If your answer is yes, you will be. If your answers are matching, you will be. If they are not, then you need to change them. You need to change yourself, your habits, everything you need to change. Then you will be one of them. Then you will answer all those questions perfectly, and people will not make you cry what you are not having. Then when you will sit with people, you will feel confident, as now you are feeling unconfident when you are sitting with people who are more healthy than you. But in future, when you will be billionaire, you will be confident because you are healthier. Then you will have relations, everything you will have. First, you have to achieve, you have to receive those things. Then with this today's session, all belongs to you. Just think, answer what you are doing, what they are doing. They were same like you and they are not like you now. If you want to change, go for it. Or you want to stay as you are now. So congratulations, you are not in our race. This race is not for you. The race is for horse, not donkeys. So this is up on you to stay or get out. Thank you.